What?
New Twilight movie. I mean, vampire romance? Come on!
That sucks.
Yeah. And every second girl at my school has I love Edward Cullen written in their diaries.
That sucks.
It does. And it's so narrative. I read one page, not the whole book, mind you. And it goes a bit like this. I lifted my foot, then I put it down again. I lifted my other foot, and I also put it on the ground. It's like so really annoying.
That sucks.
Do what they should do? They should ban it. They should like get rid of it. They should burn all the copies ever existed and shoot them the ashes.
That sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Well,
Hey,
hi. I've been listening. Now, I wonder what you would say if I told you that I was a vampire. And what you just said deeply offended me.